Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you the projects I made using some small craft kits, if you will. This is for the collab I'm doing with my friend Deb, who is Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. And on the 20th of each month we share what we've used to kind of whittle down the different kits that we have in our stash. And so this time I used something different. I didn't pull out a paper pumpkin kit. I had purchased in August of 2017 these Anna Griffin little kits, if you will. It was to make 4 treat bags. And it came with clothespins, it came with a treat bag, and it came with a little cardstock topper, printed cardstock topper that you could put on there. And here is the back side. So if you finished it like the example, here's the little treat bag where the topper is clipped to the flap of the bag, looking really cute. And so here's what was in here. But I decided to turn these into cards instead. So I have this one. I made 16 cards because I had 4 kits. Here's another one with kind of a blue plaid background. And then here's one that was in kind of a metallic gold and white. And then this one, which was actually the first one I used, was kind of this toile print. So those are the kits that I used. Let me share with you the cards. So the first one I made, for some reason, my go-to is always A2 size cards. So I cut the bag down to A2 size that I could layer onto an A2 size card. So I have a gold mirror cardstock in the back, and then the bag that I trimmed down, and then this is the embellishment that came in the kit, and I just popped it up with foam tape. And then because the bag had 2 sides, front and back, I used the inside to decorate the inside of the card. I ran out of gold mirrored cardstock. None of my scraps were big enough, so I had to go to a different kind of gold cardstock. But I have since reordered some gold mirror cardstock, so I'll be okay. Anyway, those 4, they're all the same. And then in no particular order, these are the rest of the cards. So here is this one. This is also popped up with foam tape, and this time I switched to 5x7 cards. And then this is how I did the inside. So I was able to use both the front and the back. I didn't make it into 8 cards because I only had 4 embellishments. Otherwise, my first idea was to turn them into 8 cards, and then I decided to keep it at 4. Here is the one with gold. I think this one is my favorite. The flowers are just kind of lacy. They look like crocheted flowers, or like maybe a tablecloth or something. But I thought that was pretty. And then here's the inside. And so I have 4 of those. And then the last group of cards that I have to share with you are from the blue set. And this time, even though there's gold foil on the embellishment piece, I used holographic cardstock for the background because I thought it went so nicely with the blue. And then here is the inside. So very similar in style, all the cards, but just a little bit slightly different. So anyway, those are the cards I'd like to share with you. Now I have 4 kits out of my little basket, and now I need to find something to do with the clothespins. I'd like to thank you for joining me. Please check out Deb's channel and see what she made from her kits this month. And now I'm off to create.